had to take a spatula to this little section right here. It was too hot in that section. So it already crisped up. So anyway, all the melted area, that's going to be the Mexican melting cheese. And then all of this that's staying solid, that's going to be the paneer. And the idea here is to have the stringy, melty goodness and the, like, I guess, spongy but crisp outside cheese. So I'll take this and I'll start flipping it over, and I'll try to get it golden brown on all the sides that I can possibly get it on. And then I will set it aside to cool, because it doesn't really matter if it's hot or not, because we have our sauce and our rice. So between those things, we'll have plenty of heat. All right, here we go. So I've added the sliced onions into the pan with the paneer and cheese, and I've turned off the heat. It's just getting them, lightly cooked. I've turned off the heat on this to get it right back up to temperature. And one of the things you can do is you can take this and drop it into your blender, and you can make it nice and smooth, or you can leave it like this and it'll be very chunky. You got your tomatoes and onions and stuff in there. I don't care either way. I like it both ways, so I'm gonna leave it as it is for right now. And when these come out, which should be soon. Let's see. Yeah, they're doing well. Then it'll be time to serve.